So ayun, nandito na naman tayo. Sabi dito sa problem ulit, a projectile is fired at the top of a 300-meter building at an angle of 20 degrees with the horizontal. If the muzzle velocity of the projectile is 300 meter per second, how long will it take for the projectile to reach the ground? So illustrate muna natin yung problem. Sabi, meron daw tayong 300 meter building. So let's say building yan. Then may projectile dito na ini-launch. So after a certain time, babagsak yan at ground level. So ito yung ground natin. So meron siyang initial velocity na 300 meter per second. Then yung angle theta natin is 20 degrees with the horizontal. Then meron tayong 300 meter na height ng building. Ay, 30 meters, sorry. So, solve natin. So, gamitin lang natin yung equation for the y. Kasi given naman tayo ng y dito. So, after something seconds, yung height nung projectile natin is 0 na. Pag bumagsak na siya dun sa ground, 0 na yung height niya dito. 0 meter. So, meron tayong formula dito na delta y. Delta y is equal to vi. Since in y direction tayo, sign yung gagamitin natin. Sin of theta. Multiply by the time, which is yung unknown pinapahanap doon sa problem. Then minus kasi oppose yung gravity natin. 0.5. Then the gravity, g. Then the d squared. So, madali lang to. Direct sub, then siguro quadratic equation. Meron tayong 30. 0 yung final position natin. So, 0 minus 30 is equal to the VI, which is 300 sine of the angle theta, which is 20 multiplied by the time. Minus 0.5 multiplied by the 9.81. Then the t squared. So, lipat natin yung negative 30 sa kabila, magiging positive. So, we have 0 is equal to, arrange natin, 0.5, so negative 4.905, 905 t squared plus the 300 sine, which is 102.61 t, then the positive 30. So, gagamitin natin yung quadratic equation, which is, or pwede naman yung calc Q, punta kayo dun sa shift, then, punta kayo dun sa mode, then 5 equation. Then, nag-a-ask siya dun sa A, which is, ito yung input nyo. Then, for the B, ito. Then, for the C, ito. Lalabas yung sagot na negative 4.905, 102.61, then the 30. Lalabas yung sagot na 21.2 seconds. Then yung isang root ng quadratic natin is negative. So wala naman tayong time na negative. So disregard natin yan. So mas recommended yung quadratic equation kaysa sa shift solve. Kasi makukuha mo yung dalawang roots ng equation. So solve natin using quadratic equation. So yung t natin is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over the 2a. So, i-plug in lang natin yung mga values natin dito. So, yung time natin is equals to negative b, which is negative 102.61. 61 plus, separate natin, plus the b squared, which is 102.61 squares minus the 4 multiplied the a, which is negative 4.905 4ac, which is 30. So, nasa loob yan ang square root natin all over the 2a multiplied by negative 0.905. So, meron tayo mode negative 102.61 plus the square root of 102.61 squared minus the 4a, which is negative 4.905 the 4 negative 4.905 is 30 divided by the 2 multiplied by negative 4.905. So we have negative yung time 1 natin, which is yung negative 2.28 0.28 29 seconds. So wala tayong negative na time, so mali yan. Then yung isang root natin is yun, 21.2 seconds. 1.2 seconds, which is yung letter C. So, paano nakuha yun? So, gagamitin lang natin yung negative part dito. So, copy muna natin to. Then, copy. Then, paste natin. Then, burahin natin to. Gawin natin siya negative. So, makukuha is, eto, 21.2 seconds, which is yung sagot sa problem natin. That's it.